James Vasquez para magbigay ng aming Miko's Choice Award. At ang ating first winner on this set of Miko's Choice Award is... And also, tawagin na natin si Miko Pasa. Miko Pasa. Para sa another Miko's Choice Award. And our winner is none other than... Our first two winner is Nomar Alejo and Sunny Mana. Sunny Mana Jr.
And to be awarded by James Vasquez and Miko Pasa.
Ang guwapo ni Miko. Totoo. At ka-outfit mo siya na.
Hindi naman sa pagmamaya kasama ko siyang rider.
Our next winner, another two winners to be awarded by
Justonic Matic and Juan Calma.
Our next two winner is Joaquin Perez and John Matthew Acanasyon.
Forward boys.
Ang guwapo din ang mga award.
Yes, Justonic and si Juan Calma. Reigning Magnet still 2024. Picture.
Our next winner to be awarded by
Makati Makaraig Silangan and Bert Del Rosario.
Alin? Ganyan lang, hindi mo mag-upload.
Our next winner ay si Alexander Mendoza and Joe Castro. Ano sila magkapatid, no?
Yes.
Alex, I love you too. Hindi na ba siya nag-ilabi, be? Sino yung nalililig? Si Ate.
Hi, madam.
Hi. Our next set of winners is awarded by
Mr. Denver Arbana and ang mahal ko rin, Carlo Morris Galacata.
Our winner is Brian Somapides and Steve